This 2026 Dutchmen Astoria 260RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchman is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features a SHALE interior, sleeps 4, refrigerator, air conditioning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, water heater, awning, LP detector, TV, leveling jacks, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Dutchmen Astoria 260RK is 8,160 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.